Welcome to the first episode of Wrenching and Wheeling. We're in an undisclosed location right now, out in the middle of nowhere. Not really, ignore all the traffic you hear behind us. We just won't talk about that. But we brought our rigs out, and the whole part of this whole series, this whole channel, is to show you that we're regular guys, go out wrenching on our rigs, break them, off-road them. Well, maybe not in that order. Probably not in that order. But anyways, you get the idea. We're here to have fun. We got together through weird means, met him at a dog park and met him randomly through him. So, kind of fun thing. We're gonna show you our rigs here in a sec and do a little wheeling today. All right, first up, we got Brandon. He's gonna show us his 2019, actually, you know what, you introduce your vehicle.
Yeah, 2019 Jeep GL UR, just getting started. So far, got a middle clip 2.5-inch lift and some 37-inch trail grapplers. Nittos, and that's about it so far. It's just getting started. Had it for about a month and a half now.
Awesome. All right, Chris, I'll do me last. Show me your
Sure.
What you got going on here and what we're building.
Yeah, I got 2015 JKU Sport. Also pretty much just getting started. Got it just a couple of months ago, and when I got it, it was totally stock. I've got some takeoffs from a Rubicon for the 33 BFG KO2s, and just put these step sliders on the other day. Those are the Weston Snipers.
Let's check these out.
Woo! Still got the dang stock ones in the back here. I mean, other than that, really, put a 2-inch lift on it. JKS quick disconnects, did the Mopar lift, Fox shocks, threw a CB in there, worked on the stereo some. But that's pretty much it for now.
I drive a 1986 Ford Bronco. Trying to keep up with these Jeep boys. Not a lot's been done to it. Actually, a lot's been done to it. So, new motor, transmission pan, rebuilt transfer case. Motor runs like a top, cruises at freeway speeds, no issues. I just did a rough country 4-inch lift on it, and I got 33 mud terrains. They're the Cougar, the Mastercraft Cougars. Other than that, threw a CB in, did some stereo work. There you go. Other than that, it's just a slight work here and there. It's been a lot of maintenance since I've owned it. It's replacing sensors, hose lines. Hell, when I put gas in it, my gas still leaks all over the place. But other than that, that's how it is. You guys ready to go off-road? Are you sure?
Oh yeah, I'm doing it. I don't know if I'm gonna make it back up. I'm gonna make it down.
Oh, okay. Well, let me crawl down so I watch you. Oh, those 37s in action right now.
I'm not even aired down.
They look like they're aired down.
Well, lights on. I'm too far now. I'm gonna be stuck.
Oh. Chris.
Yep.
Let's turn so they can see what he's doing in the background. So, scale of 1 to 10, how dumb was that?
That had to be a solid 8.
Solid 8. That, when he got down to this part right here, I was
My butthole
biting
tightened up a little
my
bit.
butthole tightened. All right. Chris almost died right there. Keep it going.
How close can I get that pole?
You're about a foot away.
Oh,
6 inches. You what?
I've reached my stupid things quota.
What?
I've done 3 stupid things.
What?
I did donuts twice,
Okay.
and then I went down that embankment that I surely wasn't going to make it back up.
You said you were confident.
I made it back up.
Oh God.
Confidence is all in the appearance. I appeared confident, and
Chris, we
therefore
haven't seen
I did.
you do anything stupid yet.
That's true.
I said we all jump in his Jeep and go do donuts.
I don't know if we can do donuts.
I don't. Yeah, no, probably not. No.
No, those tires should be easy to spin. Do donuts.
I suck at doing donuts.
Well, I mean, we could do donuts in your Jeep.
I kind of want it. Any collapses?
Kolaches. Lisa's? Oh.
Woo!
Lisa's is the move.
Damn. Lisa's so good.
I kind of miss living over there.
I miss having a clean Jeep.
Yeah, bro. Hey, let's check out your Jeep here.
It's so fucking dirty.
Hey Nick, come over. Help me take the top off so we can go out and record this episode. Yeah, man. Oh, I got you there. I'm helping. 2019.
It doesn't even have 3,000 miles on it.
No.
It's fucking covered in mud. And that's why you buy a Rubicon.
You got your sweet thingy here.
Sunshade.
Sunshade. Professionally helped install by me. This is actually a pretty cool area. All right. Thanks for watching. We appreciate everything.
Like and subscribe if you like what you've seen in this video. More Wheelin' videos to come.
Absolutely. Chris?
Cheers.
Oh, good Lord. Bye, y'all.